Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Court cannot intervene in lease renewal issue. Let court not infringe upon sovereignty of state. Goa tells High Court minors tell government to decide on applications. CM takes charge of power crisis, announces additional 150 megawatts for Goa, 250 meter readers for department, works worth 350 crores proposed. Hindu Jan Jagruti Samiti defends Mutalik's pub attack, says it's morally right Goa BJP indulges in minority appeasement, alleges Samiti. Sri Ram Sene's Pramod Mutalik arrives in Goa at Ramnati, reaches venue by 7 p.m. to address Hindu convention on Thursday as per schedule. And Uruguay knocks Italy out. Greece shock Ivory Coast. Uruguay to meet Colombia in pre-quarters. Costa Rica to clash with Greece. Uruguay star Luis Suarez in bite controversy. Now the news in details. Goa government has stated that the High Court cannot decide about the renewal of mining leases. State government made this statement before the High Court during hearing of petition filed by miners. Government has contended that fate of those miners who have paid stamp duties will be decided after formation of new mining policy. Besides the 28 leases, around 70 leases have not paid the fee. Mine owners contend that government cannot sit over the application for years and they have approached the court as government is no deciding anything about the renewal.
Petitioner miners contended that they had filed applications for renewal in the year 2006, but government did not decide their applications. Petitioners also questioned how can government sit on their applications for so long and later blame the applicants. In an affidavit filed before the High Court, state government has stated that Apex Court has held that renewal of deemed mining leases have expired on 22nd November 2007. Therefore, mining by leases in Goa after 22nd November 2007 is illegal. Applications for renewal were filed in the year 2006, but during the hearing before the Supreme Court, miners failed to raise the issue of renewal. Hence, this petition is not maintainable in the High Court. On behalf of state government, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni stated that the Supreme Court has given power to the state government to form a fresh mining policy. He mentioned that High Court cannot direct on the content of mining policy. Advocate General contended that Goa government takes all relevant things into consideration while framing a policy. But this time, government will give an opportunity to all affected parties to present their side. Goa government has collected about 390 crore rupees as stamp duty from 28 miners, but there is no clarity on granting them leases. Hence, some miners have knocked the doors of the High Court. But the stand of the state government is that the High Court does not have jurisdiction to hear these writs. The High Court has adjourned the hearing for 14 July, giving liberty to the petitioners to file counter-reply in view of state's affidavit. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has taken charge of the power crisis. State lacks 150 megawatts of power right now. CM Parrikar has assured to solve billing problem within 6 months. He also announced that until and unless government formulates a concrete policy, there will be no sanction of any tours by MLAs and ministers. CM has written off State Pollution Control Board's report which says Mandovi River is highly polluted.
I'm in talk with Piyush Goyal. I'll be talking with him and getting some SCE, but that will take 3-4 months on deputation from some place till I can correct the bottom. We are also contemplating of engaging some 8 or 10 executive engineers directly through the market or degree qualification. GPSC गेला दिस ओनू मातशें इल्लें चड ब्रेकडावन जावपाचें एक कारण म्हणजे अवेळी पडलेलो पावस आनी मोठ्या कितें म्हणटा तें लायटनींग आनी थंडर स्टॉर्मान पडलेलो पावस. We are already falling short by at peak load 150 megawatt. आमचो प्रयत्न आहा की छत्तीसगडचो कोल हे सिग्नेचर बेगीन जावचो PPP आनी म्हाका गॅरंटी आहा की ऑगस्ट पर्यंत तरी हांव ते करून घेतलो, कारण ते काही अजुनूय बारीक बारीक बॉटलनेक्स आहा. ती करीत जाल्यार आमकां ओवरऑल इमिजिएटली एक 200 मेगावॉट 250 मेगावॉट मेळूंक शकता, बाय वीच द शॉर्टफॉल कॅन बी टेकन केअर. आतां आमी जे पयशे मोडटले पळय, हांव परिणाम थोडेशे हाडटा. आत्तां आमी कितें करतले अशें न्हय, पण आमी जे इन्वेस्टमेंट करतले ऑटोमॅटिकली इट वील बी रिफ्लेक्टेड ऑन सम प्रायसीस. हांव फक्त सांगताय आमी करता, आमी प्रायसूय वाडोवचे ना, कांय चिंता करपाची गरज ना. आमी सादारण अंदूच्या वर्सा 300-350 कोटीचे प्रोजेक्ट हातान घेतल्या. अंडरग्राउंड केबल आयली, एडिशनल ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आयले. वी आर नाव वर्किंग ऑन अ मंथली मीटर सिस्टीम इन हाऊस. ते वतले, रद्द करून ना अजून, वतले ते. बिलिंग इज बीइंग शिफ्टेड टू GEL 1912 इज अ कंप्लेंट नंबर. एक म्हणजे आमी आतां 250 मीटर रिडर घेवपाचे प्रपोजल हे केला, आनी दीस प्रपोजल वील गो थ्रू.
National Guide of Hindu Jan Jagruti Samiti Dr. Charu Datta Pingre has defended Pramod Mutalik's stand of moral policing. He has said that pub attack in Bangalore was a justified act. Dr. Pingre has questioned on the true explanation of the word secularism. Dr. Pingre was speaking in a weekly head-on.
अंत में जब शंकराचार्य जी आए थे तो शंकराचार्य जी के लिए उनको समय नहीं मिला. ये है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जब गोवा में आए थे तो उस वक्त उन्होंने स्पेशली आर्च बिशप के लिए अलग समय निकाला था, मगर यहाँ पे जो यहाँ के शंकराचार्य पीठ है या अन्य धार्मिक पीठ है उनके लिए अलग से ऐसे समय नहीं निकाला गया.
गोवा की भाजपा सरकार भी अल्पसंख्यकों का लांगुल चालन कर रही है.
कहीं कहीं तो दिखाई देता है.
आज सत्ता कांग्रेस के हाथ में नहीं है, फिर भी आप वही मांगे कर रहे हैं. आपको इसमें विरोधाभास नहीं दिखाई देता?
ये अभी जो राजनीतिक सिस्टम है उसमें कभी भी सत्ता परिवर्तन हो सकता है और कभी भी कांग्रेस के हाथ में राज जा सकता है.
आप पे ऐसा आरोप हो सकता है कि आप हिंदुओं को पोलराइज करना चाहते हैं.
अगर हिंदू संगठन को आप पोलराइजेशन कह सकते हैं तो वो तो दुनिया के ख्रिस्ती पोलराइज है और क्रिश्चियन ऑलरेडी पोलराइज है, मुस्लिम पोलराइज है, सिर्फ हिंदू विघटित है.
औरतों पर हाथ उठाए, क्या ये सब उनके जो एक्शंस थे उससे आप कंफर्टेबल हैं? उनके खुद के संगठन ने किया था जहां से वो उभर के आए एज प्रमोद मुतालिक.
जो लड़की को मारा था वो लड़की के माँ बाप ने आके मुतालिक जी को बताया था कि हम घर में माँ बाप है और बच्चों को हम घर में ही संस्कार देते हैं. आपने हमारा माँ बाप का कर्तव्य बाहर पूरा किया तो बाकी जो लोग आक्षेप ले रहे हैं वो राजकारण कर रहे हैं.
वहाँ से निकालने के लिए हिंसा करना, आपको
निकालने के लिए हिंसा किया ऐसा मुझे नहीं लगता है. अपवादात्मक इसको नियम नहीं बना सकते हम. उन्होंने हिंसा किया ऐसा नहीं लगा, उन्होंने सनदशीर किया.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.